Okay, so look at this. This is my drone afterwards. Put glue in there, right in there, to put it together after the crash. So hopefully this thing will be up and running soon. I mean, just look at it. It's pretty crazy. And there's the propeller guards right over there. Hopefully we can get those installed also so I don't have an awful crash again. Like, oh my gosh. Other news, look at the snow out there. Isn't it pretty great? It is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to make a winter flips video out in this kind of stuff.
Tomorrow.
So yeah, the glue is working. It's the next day, so working pretty well. My baby might be able to fly again here soon. I can't wait. Yes. And I'm putting on the propeller guards, as you can see. Look at that. All the propellers are on. Propeller guards, actually. Alright, now it's time to test this puppy out. Hopefully I fixed it pretty well. I can't wait! I want my baby back!
I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. I want my baby back. Chili's, I want my baby back ribs. I want my baby Chili's baby back ribs.
Barbecue sauce.
Let's go! You can see for yourself, it's still quite rough. Dang, that was a lot of money for that drone. I pretty much got to get a new one. That sucks. All that fire building really seems to make a man hungry. Let's do nachos. Always good to wash your hands before eating. Oops. I am very hungry. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I feel like I'm just doing a lot of video on food lately. I don't know if you feel me on that, but leave a comment down below if you think it's either awesome or I should stop doing it. I'll probably still do it anyways, even if you do comment. Anyways, it's time for me to go. There's not much to this video, but I hope you enjoyed it, so hit that thumbs up if you like this video, share it with your friends if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you tomorrow.